Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Boat. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Before starting the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor, I'm just telling you about their amazing project. MoGBuy, the key to exclusive living. MoGBuy token, a revolutionary luxury development that redefined the boundaries of exclusivity and opulence. Next, we have some information about MoGBuy token. Our vision is to create a global network of luxurious private island communities, setting a new standard for exclusivity and luxury living. We envision a future where our token holders can enjoy unparalleled amenities, services, and experiences in a secure, sustainable, and technologically advanced environment. We strive to build a loyal community that share our value of innovation, quality, and excellence, and to make MoGBuy a symbol of prestige and sophistication worldwide. Next, we have their tokens functionalities. Access. MoGBuy token holders can access the luxury island and its exclusive amenities. Ownership. Token holders can purchase a property or villas on the island with the token serving as proof of ownership. Secondly, governance. MoGBuy token can be used for voting on community decisions such as island development and management. Third one is utility. Tokens can be used for payments within the island's ecosystem, including amenities, services, and transactions. Reward. Token holder can receive rewards such as exclusive discount, priority access, and special perks. Another one is staking. MoGBuy token can be staked for passive income or to participate in the project governance. NFTs. MoGBuy token can be used to mint NFTs representing unique assets or experiences within the island's ecosystem. Partnership. Token can be used for partnership and collaborations with luxury brand and service providers. Token distribution. 10% private sale, 100 billion tokens sold to strategic investor partners and advisors. Lock-up period 6 to 12 months. 15% public sale, 150 billion tokens sold to the general public through a token sale event, no lockup period. 10% team and founders, 100 billion tokens, vesting period 24 months, cliff 6 months. 5% advisor and partners, 50 billion token, vesting period 12 months, cliff 3 months. 5% community and airdrop, 50 billion token, airdrop to community members, supporters, and early adopters. 20% ecosystem development, 200 billion tokens, reserved for future partnership, collaborations, and ecosystem growth. 30% reserved 300 billion tokens held by the project treasury for future use cases, strategic acquisition, and emergency funds. Next, we have their roadmap. Q1 2024 token development. Create MoGBuy token on Ethereum blockchain. Smart contract development. Implement tokenomics, security, and governance. Q2 token sale. Conduct public sale for MoGBuy tokens. Private fundraising. Secure investment from strategic partners. Q3 land acquisition. Purchase land in Dubai for the luxury island development. Development planning. Engage architect, engineers, and contractors. Q4 groundbreaking. Commence construction of the luxury island project. Token listing. List MoGBuy on cryptocurrency exchange. Q1 2025 infrastructure development. Build road, utilities, and amenities. Luxury residence construction. Begin building high-end villas and apartments. Q2 partnership announcement. Collaborate with luxury brand and service provider. Community building. Engage with token holder and enthusiasts. Join the future of cryptocurrency with MoGBuy tokens. You can also join their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for latest update. This is an outstanding project. And you must join their Twitter account. You can follow them on Twitter because in the future 1 million free token will be given to Twitter followers. Here you can see their post from here. Earn while you explore. Stake your MoGBuy token for passive income or gain voting rights and governance power. The reward are waiting. You can also see there further more posts from here and know about the latest news. Now I am showing you their white paper. You can also read their white paper Mock by Token, the key of exclusive living. You can also read their whole white paper from here. This is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.